This particular vehicle is 2002 Ford F-150. And we did a gas to diesel conversion in it. If you look here, there's a diesel motor. We built our own mounts for it right there. It's got a big Allison transmission in it. There's a better picture of it. There's the turbo. You can see the turbo right there. But that's basically it, really. Alternator. This is a special mount that we made out of 1-inch thick sheet steel. And there it is right there. And we also do that too. So if you need to pull out your old gasoline engine, there's the injector pump. If you need to do any gas to diesel conversions, we do that too here at EPS Services. We don't have the drive line in yet. It's still being worked on, not finished. But it will be finished. So thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.